Hello guys, we're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the concept of a speed limit, guys. So speed limit in simple words you can say, so the maximum speed at which a particular vehicle can go on a particular road. So that value we will be calling it as a speed limit. So the speed limit sign will be in this way. Okay, so it is having for cars it is a 60 and for trucks or heavy vehicles it is 40. So this is the speed limit in that particular road. So basically it completely depends on the road, guys, and whenever they are indicating 60 or 40, that is with respect to kilometers per hour, guys. Okay, in India I'm saying. Okay, yes, so if you cross that limit you are violating a law. Okay, yes. Okay, so basically for enforcement also we will be having some cameras, guys. So you can say, even say, we can say, even though the policeman will be having the radar guns using which they can know the speed. Even in the same way there are some automated cameras also which can take images when your speed is overtaking. Okay, yes, so here I wrote the radar guns as an example. Okay, yes. Okay, so let us continue. Okay, so let us continue with the load limit, guys. Okay, so load limit is nothing but the weight with which you can carry in your vehicle, right? Yes, so that is load limit. Okay, yes, so applying a weight limit to the road is often done in this attempt to protect a road appearance. In particular, restrictions of overweighting is done. So basically if you are having a lorry or anything, so in that the maximum capacity which you can take is nothing but the load limit, so you should not exceed it. So here are some examples where some issues have been happened due to those things, guys. So here in here this bridge, if assume that this bridge is already a weak, right? Yes, so if there is any excessive load it could just fell off. So in that way, similarly if you see here, so there is really excessive load on that particular lorry, right? Yes, similarly here due to that excessive weight the lorry was falling off. Okay, in this way there are some examples, guys. Okay, yes, so I hope everyone got some basic ideas. So shall we continue, guys? Okay, so let us continue with few more topics. So traffic lights. So traffic lights, I hope everyone knows the meaning of traffic lights, right? Yes, so traffic lights are nothing but these are the lights which are indicating some kind of things at the junction, whether to go or whether to stop or whether to wait. So like that, right? Yes, so we are having three different colors and all those things we have already discussed. Okay, user to control, they are placed at the road at junctions or crossing. So they have different colors telling drivers what to do. So basically they will be defining what the driver should do. Okay, so traffic light changes their color according to their time. Okay, so we are having three different colors: red, green and yellow. So red is nothing but to stop, green is nothing but to go, yellow is nothing but to slowly stop. Okay, yes. Okay, similarly we are having the safety cameras. I think let us go through safety cameras in the next lecture, guys. Okay, yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.